In this video, we will explain the concept of NLP or Neuro Linguistic programming in brief, and also its relation with leadership qualities, to help you develop a fair idea regarding the concept. Neuro Linguistic programming or NLP is a pseudoscientific approach to communication, personal development, and psychotherapy. There is a connection between neurological processes and language and behavioral patterns learned through experience, that is, programming, and that these can be changed to achieve specific goals in life. Let us understand this with an example. Imagine an elephant's leg is bitten by a crocodile when the elephant comes to drink water from a river in the dense forest. In that situation, the crocodile holds the cards, since the river is the playfield of the crocodile. As we know, that we should never enter into a market where the competition is already exercising control, unless we have a disruptive competitive edge over the existing player in the so-called saturated market. On the other hand, this example is related to the concept of NLP, since whenever we visualize ourselves to be in a position we've always aspired to reach, then the nerve cells or neurons of our brain will start forming neurogenetic pathways with each other, which will help us identifying our competitive advantage by helping us plan all the way to the end. If we think from the point of view of leadership, then this introduces us to the concept of leadership remodeling, whereby we should always try to imitate or remodel the successful habits of great influential and highly successful figures. We can always rewire their attitude, beliefs, imagination, and somewhat try to relate with those qualities, and adjust them as per our own angle of observing the world. Presupposition limits us. According to Parkinson's law, work expands to fill the time allotted. If we have a preconceived notion about something without having actual experience in that particular area, it may turn out to be a source of fear and anxiety in the long run. NLP has two recursive loops. 1. Internal. We have a plan of achievement and a specific target goal. 2. External. There are always external limitations that will come across, which will often contradict the plans we have in mind. This is a vicious cycle where both internal and external factors influence each other. Therefore, in order to have a balance between the two, we have to take control of our mind, our greatest asset. We should always give dictation to mind, and never let the mind dictate us with its wrong thoughts, which sometimes provokes us at tough times. Thus, this brings back to a final conclusion that all of us probably have an idea about, that is, our future depends on the quality of people we are making connections with, or are dealing with, at present. You may like, share, comment your feedback in the comment section to help us cover more topics of your convenience in the long time to come.